Today we'll talk about how can you disable announce color name uh, on your color app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. So when you click in this sign here, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on color ID, you just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You come here to announce color name, click in this sign or this color here. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here announce color name disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.